These are the B-post quarter panels for the Triumph TR2 and TR3 models. They're cut in hardboard on our CNC machine. The backing panel has all the relevant pilot holes going round, as you can see. They're then foamed up and trimmed in a material of your choice. These have been done in midnight blue vinyl. Both midnight blue and the vinyl is original for this era of car. We can also do them in leather if you prefer. So as you can see, very neatly trimmed all the way round. There's no bagginess in the material whatsoever, showing how nicely they've been trimmed. You get a pair of them. This one here is the right hand quarter panel, so effectively sits like that in the car. That being the rear wheel arch, that being the front of the car. We also include a loose bit of material here which we staple to the back of the panel so it doesn't get lost. That is used to cover up the metal bodywork at the very bottom of the panel there. Sometimes the bodywork shows through, so we just include an extra bit of material so you can cover that up if needs be. Worth noting as well, on the TR2 and TR3 cars, the quarter panel was slightly different to the later TR3A. They're longer and pointier, but also they weren't piped. On the TR3As, they started introducing piping down this edge here. But on the earlier cars, they did not have piping on them, so we do them to original spec in that regard. See our website for more details.